Have you ever wondered why Japanese people are so successful? Why their cities look so clean, their trains always arrive right on time, and their work feels almost perfect? Welcome back to Little Wins again. Today, we'll explore the beautiful and powerful habits that make Japan one of the most successful countries in the world. These are small things, simple daily actions, but together, they create a huge difference. In Japan, people respect time. If a train is 1 minute late, the driver says sorry. Students always reach school before time. Workers never come late to office. They believe if you respect time, time will respect you. This habit makes them fast, responsible, and trusted. Japan is one of the cleanest countries in the world. But do you know who cleans it? The people themselves. In schools, students clean their classrooms and wash the floors. Japanese people believe good behavior comes before good marks. They don't wait to someone else clean the mess which they created. This builds respect for people, for things, and for the place they live in. Japanese people follow a rule called Kaizen. It means small improvements every day. They try to become just 1% better than yesterday. Not big changes, only small steps, but every day. This makes them grow faster than others. If you follow all these tips and apply in your daily life, you also become successful like Japanese. Just start with a small and simple steps. Hit the subscribe button if you want to improve yourself day by day.